Little Remedies for Noses Stuffy Nose Kit. One kit by Little Remedies is one of the best sellers among baby nasal aspirators products. Flushes and removes mucus from little noses. Safe, non-medicated relief to help your baby breathe easier. Nasal aspirator removes mucus for easier breathing. Also includes saline drops. Moisturizes. Helps remove mucus to clean nasal passages. No alcohol side effects. Little Noses Stuffy Nose Kit. Little Noses Stuffy Nose Kit has saline drops and a nasal aspirator to help remove excess discharge from newborns and infants' blocked noses. Designed for nasal congestion, this kit will loosen mucus and restore vital moisture to provide soothing relief from dry, stuffy or irritated nasal passages. Allow baby to breathe easy. Why you'll love it: relieve congestion and give baby a breather. Age: newborn and up. Features used for common cold, dry air, allergies, sinusitis and air travel. Helps newborns and infants breathe more easily. Kit contains saline spray and drops. Helps loosen mucus and restores vital moisture. Aspirator is latex-free, soft and flexible. Use as often as needed or as directed by doctor. Alcohol-free, no harmful preservatives.